The collaboration between NBA star Anthony Edwards and CLOT founder Edison Chen reflects a cultural crossover that blends performance innovation with artistic design. What began with Chen's interest in an A shoe, later teased through insoles marked with CLOT and Ant-Man blue flames, evolved into confirmed first-look images of the dynamic sneaker. Their bond was reinforced when Edwards sported CLOT's polished Adidas Superstar, while Chen showcased multiple Anthony Edwards One colorways, proving the partnership authentic. This project not only amplifies Edwards' influence in both basketball and sneaker culture but also showcases CLOT's strength in merging sports, fashion, and streetwear. More than just a sneaker release, it resonates with global enthusiasts, signaling creativity, identity, and innovation. The collaboration elevates Edwards' rising profile while solidifying CLOT's role in shaping modern streetwear narratives.